there! Welcome to Tom Cruise Arts and Crafts. I'm your host. Let's get started. So today we are going to be making a Tom Cruise t-shirt. I have a few Tom Cruise tops, but not as much as I'd like, and I'd really like a t-shirt that just kind of screams Tom Cruise and screams iconic Tom Cruise. So the goal of this episode is to make a Tom Cruise t-shirt, and I was recently inspired. I had a little movie marathon recently of Risky Business and had an idea for a Risky Business inspired t-shirt. And in order to visualize what I'm going to try to make is a final project, I made this little model t-shirt. This is a Tom Cruise action figure I have from when Tom Cruise portrayed Ethan Hunt in the first Mission Impossible movie. And what I'm going to try to do this t-shirt and have this video so you can all follow along and make one at home is a Risky Business inspired t-shirt where we have the dance scene represented in the best possible fashion on the t-shirt. It looks really good on the toy, Tom Cruise, and I think it's going to look really good on us as well. Let's get started. This is the iconic Risky Business dance scene. I really just think this scene is perfect. All you have to do on your computer is take a screenshot of a frame that catches your fancy, open up the image in a photo editor, make the image black and white by setting the saturation to 0, and then flip the image horizontally. You can get iron-on transfer paper at any craft store. Usually you have to print from an inkjet printer in order for this process to work. Get a plain t-shirt to apply the printout. I actually got a plain white crew neck, so technically we'll be making a Tom Cruise crew neck. Put something hard in between the layers and iron the crew neck for a flat surface. Follow instructions on the packaging to iron on the transfer image. Here's a Tom Cruise fun fact. The Risky Business dance scene was originally just one line in the movie, and Tom Cruise took it to the next level. It was filmed in half a day, and almost all of it was improvised by Tom Cruise himself. Although this is a nice Tom Cruise crew neck as is, there's definitely a way to take it to the next level. The best part about this Risky Business scene with Tom Cruise is the really innovative, cool dance move Tom Cruise does here, and there's no way for this static shirt to handle that, so we're going to have to cut out a region around where Tom Cruise is in this t-shirt. Cut out a rectangle from fleece and then glue gun it to the inside of the t-shirt. While that hot glue is drying, you can take that Tom Cruise image you cut out of the Tom Cruise crew neck and add it as a Tom Cruise patch on a Tom Cruise t-shirt you already have. Using the same methods we used to make the Tom Cruise still before, make a loopable black and white Tom Cruise GIF. I slowed down the Tom Cruise GIF. It looks really nice slowed down. It's fun to watch something you've seen thousands of times, but slowed down. Put the GIF on a spare phone and then slide it in between the patch you just made on the Tom Cruise crew neck. Now our shirt is in motion and it's come to life. But just like there's a whole back of the shirt, there's a whole nother half of the scene that gets forgotten. Repeat the steps we did earlier to design the back of the shirt. This time we are going to add the Tom Cruise dance scene where we see the back of Tom Cruise, and we're going to put this on the back of our shirt. In order to make this, you will need another iron-on transfer sheet, another fleece patch, and another spare cell phone. Once you cut out Tom Cruise's backside from the back of your shirt, you'll have another Tom Cruise patch to put on a spare Tom Cruise shirt. Once again, I've made a black and white slow-mo GIF of Tom Cruise dancing from behind. I've seen this dance move thousands of times, but never at this speed. It's great. The shirt is now complete. I really wanted to make sure this shirt got the justice it deserved, and in order to do that, I needed to make sure it had a great debut. I went to Rodeo Drive, an area of Los Angeles known for being a capital of high-end fashion. It's where the rich and famous shop. Sure, there's lots of brands here like Tom Ford, but sadly not much Tom Cruise. Even if I wasn't selling this shirt, I wanted to make a fashion statement. Tom Cruise has never, and will never, go out of style. I walked down Rodeo Drive, making sure that all eyes were on the front and back of this great Tom Cruise crew. Thanks for joining. This was so much fun. I'm going to give ourselves a B on this final project. I really like this. I'm really looking forward to wearing this. Some family events I have coming up next weekend. But I do think I could have been a bit more precise with the placement on the t-shirt, and the image quality could have been a bit better if the ink quality from the printer was a bit better. I think that would have been nice. It would have given TC a bit more justice in the final project. But I'm very happy with the final outcome. I'm very happy that I match Toy Tom Cruise here, and I think we kind of look pretty good together. Make sure to hit the like button on this video so lots of people can find it, and make sure to hit subscribe right now because you don't want to miss any of the upcoming Tom Cruise arts and crafts we have. Thank you.